Hello everyone and welcome to the Collections Centre here at Brooklands Museum. My name is Vicky and I'm the Collections and Archive Relocation Assistant.
I'm Anna, I'm the Collections Care and Documentation Officer, and we're going to show you a few highlights from the collection. Hi, today we've got our very own Nessie. So the story goes that in Loch Ness in the 80s, a team of Americans were trying to hunt down Nessie, the fabled monster that lives in the loch. They found, when they were doing scans, a shape that they thought, and they were pretty convinced that it was actually the Nessie. So when they sent someone down, they did some more scans, some more studying. They found something that looked vaguely like this geodetic structure, and they realised it wasn't Nessie at all. It was our Wellington, which crashed into Loch Ness during a training flight. So then that led to a salvage mission, which this hat represents. This is Alan Jeffcoat's hat, who was involved in the mission in 1987 to bring up the Wellington. It came in several parts, but also quite complete, and is now on display in our aircraft factory here at Brooklands Museum, and is one of only two surviving Wellingtons from the Second World War.